Can I use the converted bread flour in any type of bread recipe?
Hello, all you bread enthusiasts out there. Today, we're going to be discussing an exciting topic, converted bread flour. You've probably heard about it, and you might have been wondering, can I use the converted bread flour in any type of bread recipe? Well, sit back and relax, because we're about to delve deep into the answer.
What is converted bread flour?
Converted bread flour is a special type of flour that's been altered or converted to enhance its baking properties. It is typically processed to increase its protein content, which in turn improves the gluten network and gives your bread a better structure and texture. With converted bread flour, you can achieve bakery-level quality right from your home oven.
Can I use converted bread flour in any bread recipe?
Here comes the million-dollar question. Can I use the converted bread flour in any type of bread recipe? The answer is generally yes. The beauty of converted bread flour is its versatility. The increased protein content in the flour provides a robust structure for a wide range of breads, from delicate French baguettes to hearty whole grain loaves. So, feel free to experiment and use it in your favorite bread recipes.
Are there exceptions?
Now, while converted bread flour is generally a great fit for most bread recipes, there may be a few exceptions. For instance, some breads, like certain traditional rye breads or soda breads, may call for specific types of flour. Also, the use of converted bread flour may slightly alter the texture of your bread, making it chewier because of the increased gluten. If the recipe requires a more tender crumb, like in a cake or a muffin, it might not be ideal to use converted bread flour. So there you have it. While there are a few exceptions, you can usually use converted bread flour in a wide variety of bread recipes. It's all about understanding the properties of the flour and the desired outcome of your recipe. So go forth, and let your bread baking creativity run wild with converted bread flour. Happy baking, everyone!